Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by locating the app you want hidden on your home screen. Long press the app icon until the contextual menu appears. Tap Remove App from the menu, and then choose Remove from Home Screen to confirm. The app disappears from every home screen page and remains accessible in the app library on the rightmost screen. Your app data stays on the device, and you can open it from App Library or search at any time. To locate the hidden app, swipe left through home screens until you reach the app library. Use the search bar at the top to type the app name for fast access. Alternatively, browse the automatic category folders to find the app visually. To restore the app to a home screen, press and hold it from the app library and drag it to the desired home screen. This action returns the app to visible home screen placement immediately. If you need extra concealment, open Settings and tap Screen Time to enable content and privacy restrictions. Choose Content Restrictions, then Apps, and select an appropriate age rating to hide apps above that rating from the device. To hide purchase traces, open the App Store, tap your profile, view purchased items, and use Hide Purchase on specific apps. These steps reduce visibility in the App Store and on-device browsing. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.